This is Timmy and he sucks at JavaScript. Timmy is $60,000 in college debt. He's frustrated because he's gone through every JavaScript tutorial on YouTube and Udemy. He calls himself a self-taught developer, yet he still doesn't have a job. On a more positive side, he still has a girlfriend though.
Are you stuck in a situation like this where you're spending time coding but can't seem to figure out how to get a job? So what is it that you need to do? Do you need to do more algorithms and data structures? Do you need to work on your portfolio and beef it up even more? Or do you need to start harassing your neighbors and start asking them for jobs? Do you want to stop being like Timmy? Here, Timmy, have a cookie. Maybe you want to be more like Johnny. He has an English bulldog. Johnny got a job as a JavaScript developer and all that in under 6 months. Without needing to spend $60,000 on a college degree, without wasting 4 years of his life, and without going to a coding boot camp that would charge him $20,000. How did Johnny do this?
Introducing Profit with JavaScript.
Now, this is not your average course taught to you by some boring professor. In this course, you're going to be learning about building real-world projects like TikTok, Instagram, Netflix, Spotify, and even Tinder. You're going to need that, Timmy. Now, what's the difference between Timmy and Johnny? Timmy is $60,000 in debt. Johnny has no debt. Timmy doesn't have a job. Johnny has a job as a web developer. Timmy didn't join our course Profit with JavaScript. Johnny joined the course Profit with JavaScript. Timmy has no projects on his portfolio. Johnny has 10 projects on his portfolio. Timmy is lonely and completely on his own. Johnny has a whole community behind him. Now, Johnny wasn't the only one that got these results. We have thousands of students enrolled in our course Profit with JavaScript who've gotten incredible results. Take Frank Ramos, for example, who went from 130K to 170K.
It's almost 170K for this project.
Whoa! Jen Marr, who's the mother of 2, and she went from 46K to then getting a job for $96,000 as a senior developer.
So what was your initial job salary, and then what was the job that you landed?
It's probably about $50,000. I was a junior developer. My new job, senior developer now. A base salary of $95,000 with bonus opportunities, so it could easily bump up over $100,000 a year.
Or take Rishi, who joined our course and 6 months later got a job for $50,000 a year as a web developer.
Just recently landed software developer job, pays him $50K.
If you guys are interested in landing your job as a developer, go ahead and sign up for this webinar.
Now, Timmy, do you want to be like Johnny? Well, guess what? Click the button below to join Profit with JavaScript. Click the button below. Join Profit with JavaScript. It's an amazing community. And guess what? The best part? You have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's nothing to lose. Click the button below, jump inside of Profit with JavaScript, and Timmy and Johnny cannot wait to see you. No, go ahead, click it. I'm on my break right now. I'm not being paid for it, but go ahead, click the link below. Who was it? Johnny? Frank went from 130 to 170K. That's a $40,000 jump. I don't know about you, but maybe I'll be able to afford meals from outside. Click the link below. See you inside the course. Click.